Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to be checking out breakfast this morning at Lou's Diner. It's been a local favorite since 1969. Let's go on inside and check it out. Lou's Diner is located about a 20-25 minute drive from the Las Vegas Strip. They're at 431 South Decatur Boulevard. Depending on when you get here, there is usually a wait, and this is the waiting area here. They do have heat. It's wintertime, so they do have a heater out here to keep yourself warm while you wait. We'll go on inside and take a seat. You'll see here that they're open from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily. Well, they brought over the menu here. We got this seasonal breakfast parfait menu. Talk about their jams, their ranch. Their jams and their ranch dressing here is homemade. It's made in-house. Same with their salsa and their green chili sauce. On the flip side of that menu, they talk about their roots and the history of the diner here. Here's the main menu here. We'll go down, take a look at it. They got a wide variety of everything here for breakfast, and their prices aren't bad either. You see it here, we've got the breakfast favorites. They got their all-day sides here. Items from the griddle and iron, 3 egg omelets, and of course drinks at the bottom there. And I'll put this over here. You can freeze frame your screen, read it for yourself. Flip the menu over. This is the lunch menu. If you're here for lunch, they have sandwiches, lunch favorites, build a burger, desserts, salads, and they have the seniors menu there at the bottom. And we do note that they have the seniors menu for both breakfast and for lunch. I'll flip the menu over. Don't know what I'm going to get, but when I do, I'll show it to you. Lou's Diner started as Joelle's in 1969 when it was founded by Joe and Ellen Fallon. In 1997, Louise Lou Walters and her husband Jim bought it, renaming it to Lou's Diner. After 18 years, they passed it on to Brian and Julie in 2015, keeping Lou's legacy alive. Well, I got the order put in. I'll go ahead and go over what's on the table here. They've got the condiments here. You got your Tabasco sauce, your Cholula sauce there, of course salt, pepper, sugar. They got the green Cholula sauce here, and I love the tables here, how they're set up. They've got the Lou's Diner logo in the middle, established 1969. Then around the edges, businesses pay for advertising, so another way to subsidize their overhead. They put advertising on the tables here, which is really cool. They put this on the table. If you're a local business, they do refresh their tables every couple of years to put your business on there, so you can check that out here. Go ahead and freeze frame your screen if you're interested in that. One of the things they have here, so you can sample their various homemade jams. So they give you a sample of the jam and some crackers to try those out. So I'm going to try those out here on camera. We'll see what they taste like. Go ahead and start off with this one here. It's kind of a yellow color. I don't know what it is. We'll dip the cracker in and check it out. This first one here is pineapple. It's got a great pineapple flavor and it's real sweet. Next one we're going to try out here is going to be the orange one. Give this one a dip and flavor taste, see what it's like. I took a couple scoops of this, tried it. I cannot pick the flavor on this one, so I'm not sure what the orange one's all about. It has a good sweet flavor to it, but I don't recognize the flavor of the fruit that's made with this jam. Next one we're going to try out is the red one here. This one looks like strawberry. It's got the strawberry seeds in there and stuff, so I anticipate this is strawberry. Oh, it's definitely strawberry. Sweet strawberry flavor. And like all the rest of the jams here, these are all made here right in-house. Well, we got the last one here. This looks like a blackberry, or maybe even we get lucky and we'll have a boysenberry here. We'll give this a dip and give it a flavor taste. It's definitely blackberry. Great flavor on the berry, nice sweet, homemade, fresh flavor to it. The individual jams are for sale. You can buy them right here. Just come on in, check it out for yourself. Well, breakfast has arrived. Got the corned beef hash. It's homemade in-house here with scrambled eggs. Got some wheat toast over here. And then we'll take what's left of the jams, probably the strawberry, the blackberry, since those two were my favorites. Put it on the toast and have that for breakfast. We got the corned beef hash here. We're going to give this a flavor taste, see what it's like. Oh yeah, the flavor on that corned beef hash is amazing. It's got bell pepper in there, onion, of course the potatoes, wedges, and the corned beef itself. Really good flavor throughout, cannot complain. Oh, just looking at these eggs, you know they're fresh, so go ahead and give these a flavor taste. I didn't add anything to them, no salt, pepper, or anything like that, or even hot sauce. Give it a straight up taste, see if they add anything in the kitchen. Oh yeah, light, fluffy, scrambled eggs, cannot complain there. And they add some hot sauce, a little salt and pepper to everything. Finish this up. And one of the cool things they have here is if you're local and you come in here fairly often, you can bring your own coffee mug. You'll hang it on the wall when you come in. You'll get your own coffee mug every time you come in. Now back here, they've got pins where you can put down where you're from. You put that on the pin wall right here. You see quite a few people from Europe have come here and visited. Over here they've got the local sports teams are represented. You've got the Las Vegas Golden Knights, Las Vegas Aviators. That's the Oakland A's minor league team, soon to be Las Vegas A's. Of course, the Raiders. Now I got Cashman Field says home of the Las Vegas 51s. The 51s have become the Aviators. You'll love their bathrooms here. Restrooms as sausages. That's the males, of course. And over here, they've got eggs for the female. Of course, if you get confused, they've got the regular signs on the wall right here. And here's their merchandise here. They've got their Lou's Diner coffee mugs. And down below there, they have the embroidered t-shirts with their logo. For a total with tax, tip, and everything for the coffee and the breakfast was $26.05. We'll do some tappage here and we'll get this paid for. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Lou's Diner here in Las Vegas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.